ThatsSoYin, and today I have this tutorial. I don't necessarily want to call it a tutorial because I was honestly playing around with makeup. I primarily use the Urban Decay Electric palette, so if you have this palette, you'll be able to recreate this look. But I was mostly inspired by this shirt that my mom got me, and it just has a lot of pastel colors on it. It makes me really happy. I don't really wear this shirt, but every single time I look at it, it just makes me really happy. And so I kind of wanted to play around with kind of those same colors on my eyes, my face today. And so this is actually a look that will be perfect for spring. It is spring, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's spring already. Easter, because that's coming up, or if you're going to a festival and you kind of want to play with a lot of color, this is good for Pride, anything like that. This is just a really nice colorful look that anyone can rock. So if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So this video is going to be a voiceover simply because I wanted to just see where my creativity took me on this night that I filmed. Now for foundation, I used the Becca Aqua Luminous foundation in the shade Beige, and on its own it's super sheer and it has a lot of shimmering and glitter sparkles in it, so it's better in photography, but if you were to wear it out, it would definitely emphasize a lot of texture. For concealing and to reverse contour, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer, and this gave me more coverage to the foundation, but I had to layer on like 2 to 3 layers. Now for eyeshadow, I'm primarily using the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm taking the green and running this into my crease in the front portion of my eye. And the brushes that I'm using, the black brushes that I'm using, are the ShopMissA Faux Mink brushes. And I'm just taking the blending brush and just really blending the eyeshadow into that inner socket. Do you see how I'm not going fully into the outer corner? And then with an eyeshadow brush, I am just taking the lime green shade, I would have to say, into the eyelid, just right under that green that we placed down. Now to note, these two colors are shimmery and they emphasized a lot, but I did fix it towards the end of the tutorial. Now for the pink, I wanted to go in with something a little different. I wanted to play around with some cream eyeshadow, and I bought this one off ShopMissA. So what I did was I just dabbed a very small amount into the outer corner, and then I took a brush that I got in my Ipsy bag and I just ended up blending it out, and this is going to create a base for the pink eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying on top of it. I just wanted to see how cream eyeshadows work, simply because you don't see people use cream eyeshadows on a day-to-day basis, and I thought that this would be kind of fun. But as I was removing it, it did stain my eyes just a very little bit, but in the morning it was all good. So as you can see here, I'm just using that same brush and I'm taking the pink shade in the Urban Decay palette and I'm just running this right on top, and it just really packs a punch because on its own, this pink shade, I feel like I need to build it up just a little bit, even though it is really intense and it is pretty neon. Now to deepen up the crease, I decided to use that same Ipsy brush and take a deep purple and pop that right in the outer corner. This is going to give the look a little bit more depth and dimension, and since purples blend into pink seamlessly, I decided to just focus this in the outer corner and then blend out, but not too much, because I really want you to see the differentiation between the pink and the purple. But I am going to go into a lighter purple to blend the two shades together. I'm just taking my time, you know, packing on the purple. Now whenever I do colorful looks like this, I like to just repack the color. So here I'm just packing on the lime green, and then I packed on the lighter purple to blend in the purple with the pink. And so now it's time for eyeliner. I have my Sigma liquid eyeliner. I have a full review on this product on my channel, and my thoughts are still the same as that video. So I'm just doing my regular eyeliner here. And then for our lower waterline, I wanted to go in with a really nice teal color. This one is by Marc and it's in the shade Whirlpool. And I'm applying this onto my lower waterline as well as my lower lash line to create a base for the blue that I'm applying here. Now this blue is really pretty, but I just felt like it was a little too intense, so I dialed it down with that green eyeshadow that I used in my crease, and it does have shimmer, but the blue blended into the green seamlessly, and it looked really nice in the photos because, you know, the green and the green You know what I mean? And so for the yellow eyeshadow, I use the Sigma Shout eyeshadow, and this one's going to go right into the inner corner. And this is just going to really brighten up the eye because this is the most pastel color that I'm using. And then for matching the yellow in our inner corner, I decided to go in with a NYX yellow eyeliner to put under my cat winged eyeliner, just because it's a little accent. Now, don't really mind this part because I was just trying to figure out what lashes to wear. Yeah, in the next clips I have lashes, so just in case you were curious. And for my bronzer, I have my Benefit Cheekathon palette. I mixed Hoola and Dallas together, and I also applied the Dandelion blush on my cheeks. And for the inner corner, I wanted to really top it off with something shimmery. So oh my god, I'm talking to my friend. So I wanted to use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlight to really brighten it up. And then I'm using the Me Money and Hustla Baby highlight for my cheeks with my Sigma F03 brush. And this is just going to give my skin the intense glow that I really like doing. And then here I'm applying my Kat Von D Ayesha liquid lipstick. This used to be my all-time favorite liquid lipstick. Like, I used to wear it as many times as I could throughout the week. I used to wear it to school. You know, I would low-key kind of want to wear it to work too. But I'm also going to apply the Kat Von D Berlin liquid lipstick to the center of my lips and then kind of press my lips together and create a nice gradient.
Wow.
I don't know if I like it.
It looks really good. Why don't you like it? What's wrong with it?
I think it's my eyebrows. I think I made my eyebrows too dark. I used ABH Ebony.
It doesn't look any different. It actually looks really good because if it was any lighter, it would look weird because you're already using color. I think it might be your lashes. I think if you change your lashes, it might look better. If you did a less dramatic, more see-through. But it looks fine.
So here I'm applying some DW lashes by Cara Lashes, and while I was looking for lashes to wear, I decided to blend in that pink and purple more towards the inner portion of my eye so you could see the green still, but it's not as apparent as before. And I think that this suits my taste just a little bit more because the eye kind of matches the lips a little bit more. And that wraps up the video. Alright you guys, that was up this video. Hope you guys really enjoy. I know this wasn't a formal video, but I hope nonetheless you guys found some type of inspiration. Maybe you want to use a purple lip now. Maybe, yeah, you want to use a little bit more pink in your crease, maybe a little bit. I don't know. But as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.